And I want us to remember that HIV is not a moral thing about us. It does not describe us. It is a health issue. And it is really important for us to educate one another. Because remember, every step towards awareness is a step towards a healthier and a more understanding and compassionate community. Thank you! And let's spread love and not fear to everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Tapos sa inyo.
Very well said, Miss Alexandra. Thank you so much. And of course, the other one, Queen. Hi, Miss Majen. How are you, Queen?
Actually, I'm good. And how are you, Miss?
I'm good also. Is it okay? Thank you so much for coming. Hi po, good evening. Would you like to say something po?
Kung same question, syempre, ang hinahanap natin is the one who can promote and educate yung community natin. Yun lang.
Thank you so much po.
Alright, thank you so much to our judges.